This is the last surah of the Quran, and it has a protection for us to read it. Not just this one, but the second last, the Qul A'udhu Rabbil Falaq. If you can read, combine this Qul A'udhu Rabbil Falaq, min sharri ma khalaq, wa min sharri ghasiqin idha waqab, wa min sharri naffathati fil 'uqad, wa min sharri hasidin idha hasad. These two surah can protect. If you can read this, then Allah can protect us from all evil. Like the Qul A'udhu Rabbil Falaq, that I seek refuge from the Lord of the dawnbreak, from the evil which He created. So all evil you are asking the protection of Allah. Then especially, وَمِن شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبَ, and from the evil of the darkness when it is darkens. وَمِن شَرِّ النَّفَّاثَاتِ فِي الْعُقَدِ, and from the evil of those witches who are blowing in the nuts. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ, and from the evil of the envier when he envies. He or she envies, means a person who is very jealous, when he or she jealous that they can try to destroy you. So you are asking Allah to save you, save us from the protection, from the evil of those who are envious, those who are jealous and who want to destroy because of their jealousness. And Qul A'udhu Rabbin Nas also, with Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Qul A'udhu Rabbin Nas, say I seek refuge with the Lord of mankind, Malikin Nas, the King of mankind, Ilahin Nas, the God of mankind. So now we are calling Allah with His names, that He is the Lord of mankind, He is the King of mankind, and He is the God of mankind. And what we are asking Him, min sharril waswasil khannas, from the evil of the whisperer who whispers and who withdraws, who run away. Why run away? When you say Allahu Akbar, Bismillah, A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim, he withdraws and he run away. So we are asking the whispers of the shaitan, the khannas, the mention is khannas, the one who put the whispers in, I give you some bad ideas, and then he withdraws and he run away. So asking that the whispers of shaitan, I'm asking the protection of Allah from those whispers, so it won't affect on me. Those could be to misguide us, or to fear us, or to illusionize us. Some people get illusions from shaitan. They fear, especially if they're watching the horror movies, and the shaitan will give lots of illusions to them. They will imagine they see the person with no head, they see the white lady, they see this, and this. These are the illusions coming from shaitan, from whispers of shaitan. Shaitan is enjoying to make people crazy, let them to see nonsense things, and they keep on seeing that. And this all because you are not close to Allah, you are not cleaning yourself, you are not taking a shower, or you are not praying, you are not you are not making zikr, you are not reading Quran. So easy to become the target of shaitan. When you are clean and you are worshipping the one God, always remember God, Almighty Allah, the devil cannot make you whispers. There are lots of people who are becoming insane because of those whispers of shaitan. Shaitan will whisper to you. Some people, they have other kinds of whisper of shaitan. He will tell you, you're not clean, you're not washed, keep washing the hands. So there are different whispers of shaitan, which shaitan can always misguide you. Some people are paranoid. It is also from shaitan. They will tell you, oh, these people are against you, these people are against you, he's talking against you, he's thinking bad about you. So these are the different kind of whispers of shaitan, which is very terrible. This whispers of shaitan is destroying the humanity. People fight each other, they make trouble to each other. People are wasting lots of effort and time because of those whispers of shaitan. So we can ask protection of Allah not to follow those whispers of shaitan. Sometimes the shaitan can whisper you to jealous to other people, or to hate other people, and fight with other people. So these are the whispers of shaitan. Like example, when you are playing some games or some sports, the shaitan will whisper to the other children to fight each other. So this is very big thing that we need to ask the protection of Allah from those whispers of shaitan. Because shaitan is going to put in our heart different kind of idea to let us to fight each other, to make trouble each other, to destroy the peace. So we are asking Allah, min sharril waswasil khannas, that we seek the protection of Allah from the evil of the whisper of shaitan. Who whispers, alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas, who whispers in the chest of the men, in the hearts of the men, min al jinnati wan nas, and that whisperer or the devil is from the jinn, which is made from the fire, and is also from the human being. And human being is more effectively destroying other human being. Why? For example, you don't drink because it's bawal to drink alcohol. So shaitan can put you, whisper, okay, let's go and drink. And then you say, no, I'll not drink. It's haram, it's bawal. But your friend come, he's like a shaitan also. Because he's a bad friend. He can bring alcohol 1 bottle, he come to you, okay, let's come, we drink now. And he will force you to drink. So it's very bad to have a bad friends. Always have a good friends. Some friends will teach you to do bad things, and then because they are friends, so you follow them, and they misguided you. So that is very important for us to seek this protection of Allah from these 2 surah. Ask Allah's protection, and you can combine it Qul Huwallahu Ahad, which is before the Qul A'udhu Birabbil Falaq, Qul Huwallahu Ahad, Allahu Samad, Lam Yalid wa Lam Yulad wa Lam Yakul Lahu Kufuwan Ahad. Say, He is Allah only one. Allah, He doesn't need anything. He begets not, nor was He begotten. And there is no one, He begets not, nor is He begotten. Means He has no son and He has no father. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad, and no one and nothing is comparable unto Him. He is not like sky or earth or the planet or sun or moon. No. He is unique. He is Almighty, infinite God. Okay, so this is a 3 beautiful surah of end of the Quran. Always make your habit to read them, and Allah will always protect us. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. Ameen. Yes, sir.
Why do some people try to connect the science to the astrology, the paganism? Why they do that?
Yeah, it is haram.
No, but why,
Sure.
why people they link the science and then the pagan astrology?
Yeah, astrology is wrong. It is paganism actually. Yeah, you're right.
But why they're linking?
Whisper of shaitan. Shaitan is whispering them because that's what they learned.
Science.
So all the evil comes from shaitan.
So are the people who believe science they're pagan?
They follow the pagan ideology.
But not all.
No, the astrology is pagan ideology because in the names is also
So
pagan.
medicine.
Saturn, Cancer, these all are the pagans' names.
How about the medicine and the like technology? That's not paganism.
No, medicine comes from Muslim scientists.